Hey everybody, good morning, it's Robert. We're out this morning shooting a video of my UMX Ultrix. Crazy guys, I've never actually done a review of this plane, so I thought I'd do a quick one now. If you're looking for a cool little park jet that runs off 1C 500 milliamp packs, that'll give you like almost 10 minutes of flight, that will do everything. It'll roll, it'll fly inverted, it'll do Harriers, it'll do flat spins. Flight. So enough talk guys, let's shoot some video. So you guys can see the little UMX Ultrix here. This is just a cool little jet that can be flown in small little areas. It does have full safe select. So in the safe select mode here, the beginner mode, it won't roll over, it won't do flips, it won't do things like that. You can still do cool moves like this. Let me show you guys that you can do actually a flat spin with it in safe mode here. See if I can do this a little closer so you guys can see it, because it is kind of small. Again, it does have three modes. It has a beginner mode, which is basically everything's safe select. As I'm flying around here, I can't do rolls, I can't do loops, can't fly inverted, nothing like that. If I switch it over to the intermediate mode here, this mode allows me to fly inverted and things like that. Whoa. Again, this is intermediate mode. This is the roll rate on intermediate mode, so pretty slow. Now, if you take it out of, again, this is a roll rate on, you guys can see this is a roll rate on intermediate here. Now, if you take it out of intermediate mode and you put it on advanced mode, let me show you how fast this sucker will roll. So now I'm in advanced mode. You guys can see how fast it'll roll here. Flip it back into safe. I love this thing, it'll Harrier around. Look at this. Oops. Whoa. As you guys can see, tough. Takeoffs, guys, are breeze. Look at this. Oops. So guys, that's the little mini UMX Ultrix from my friends at Horizon Hobby. If you're looking for a little jet that does it all, pick up the little UMX Ultrix from E-Flite and horizonhobby.com. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Do me a favor, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and actually hit the bell notification if you're on a mobile device, so you'll know when I post videos weekly. Guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for following me on social media.